In this video, how to reuse media across projects in Camtasia. Reuse media can be background music, logo, or subscribe button. To do it, you can use the library feature to store frequently used media. Select the media you want to reuse in the media bin or timeline. Simply add media to the library, and you can easily drag and drop it into any new project. This way, you can reuse media across multiple projects without having to recreate or re-import files each time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.